Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on how to crypto. In today's video, I will show you how you can download SafePal crypto wallet on your device. Now, if this is something that you want to learn, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up the Play Store or App Store on your device and there search for SafePal wallet. Now, once you found it, tap on install button. And once you tap on it, installation will be started. Now here your app has been already downloaded and installed to your device. Now if you want to open up your SafePal wallet, tap on open button at the bottom of your screen. And once you tap on open button, you will directly taken to its home page. Now that's how easily you can download SafePal crypto wallet on your device. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.